Waking up between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. can feel frustrating, but what if I told you it's actually a rare spiritual opportunity? Today, we're going to reveal 3 powerful things you must do during this sacred window of time. But be careful. Most people unknowingly make critical mistakes that block them from tapping into the potent energy available at this time. Stay with us, because in the next few minutes, you'll discover how to turn these early morning wake-ups into life-changing moments of spiritual transformation. Let's get started. Have you ever woken up between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m., staring at the clock, feeling confused or annoyed, wondering why this keeps happening? If this sounds familiar, drop a moon emoji in the comments. You're not alone, and this video is for you. This is something many people around the world experience, but there's actually a much deeper reason behind it. A friend of mine used to wake up at around 3:30 a.m. every night for months, thinking it was just stress or coincidence. But when she learned the spiritual significance of this time, her whole perspective shifted. The spiritual significance of waking up between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. In ancient wisdom, waking up during these hours is considered sacred. Many ancient cultures believed that this is the time when you're most open to receiving divine messages. Whether it's through prayer, meditation, or quiet reflection, this window offers a rare chance to connect with something greater than yourself. In Vedic traditions, Brahma Muhurta is the time about 1 hour and 36 minutes before sunrise, known as the most spiritually powerful part of the day. It's when the mind is clearest and energy is strongest, making it the ideal time for meditation and spiritual connection. Imagine tapping into this calm, powerful energy while the world sleeps. It's a huge opportunity for personal growth and spiritual connection. In traditional Chinese medicine, the lung meridian, which processes grief and sadness, is believed to be most active between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. So, if you're waking up consistently during this time, it could be a sign that your body is asking you to let go of these emotions or process them more deeply. It's almost like your body's internal clock is telling you that there's something important emotionally that you need to address. Even the Bible sees this time as sacred. Mark 1:35 mentions Jesus rising early in the morning to pray and seek divine guidance. Whether through ancient wisdom or religious teachings, this time is seen as a powerful moment for spiritual connection. But what exactly should you do when this happens? In just a moment, I'm going to share 3 powerful actions you can take to make the most of these early morning hours. But first, let's make sure you avoid the mistakes most people make when they wake up during this sacred time. Mistakes people make when waking up between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. 99% of people who wake up during these early morning hours make key mistakes that cause them to miss out on powerful opportunities for clarity, spiritual growth, and deeper connection. First, reacting with frustration. When you wake up unexpectedly, it's normal to feel annoyed or anxious, but reacting this way triggers stress hormones like cortisol, which throws off your emotional balance. This negative response also blocks you from seeing what could be a meaningful moment for growth. Instead of reacting with frustration, try to shift your mindset and see this time as a unique opportunity. Second, ignoring inner messages. Waking up between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. can be a sign that your subconscious, or even a higher consciousness, is trying to communicate something important. It could be an intuitive insight, a creative idea, or even a solution to a problem. But if you brush it off and immediately try to force yourself back to sleep, you're missing out on potential breakthroughs. Third, missing spiritual moments. The early morning hours offer quiet and a clear mind, making it the perfect time for meditation, reflection, or prayer. Without the usual distractions of the day, your spiritual practices can be far more effective in these peaceful moments. So, by reacting with frustration, ignoring intuitive signals, or overlooking the spiritual importance of this time, you're losing out on a deeper connection with yourself and the potential for growth and clarity. But how do you avoid these mistakes and make the most of this special time? Let's dive into that next. First, shift your perspective. Instead of reacting with frustration or reaching for a sleep aid, see this wake-up as a powerful invitation. The early hours offer a rare opportunity for stillness, free from the noise and rush of the day. Think of it like this. The world is quiet, and you've been given a precious moment of peace. A chance to truly hear your inner voice and explore what it's trying to tell you. Treat it as a gift. Next, get ready for these moments. Keep a journal by your bedside to quickly jot down any thoughts, dreams, or feelings when you wake up. Writing them out helps you process and understand why you've woken up, giving you clarity. Set up a comfortable space for reflection, meditation, or simply sitting in silence. The key is to be intentional. Don't just roll over and go back to sleep. Use this time to connect with yourself or something greater. Before we dive into the 3 most powerful things you can do when waking up between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m., if you're finding this video valuable and want more spiritual insights, make sure to subscribe to The Modern Soul. You'll get access to practical tips, spiritual guidance, and deep insights to support your personal growth. The 3 most powerful things to do when you wake up between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. The first thing you can do is mindful breathing and meditation. This practice is one of the simplest, yet most effective ways to deepen your spiritual connection and quiet your mind. Mindful breathing calms the nervous system and helps you feel more grounded. When you meditate, it enhances your intuition and allows you to connect with a deeper part of yourself. It also promotes inner peace, which is essential when stress or restlessness has you awake in the middle of the night. How to do it? Ground yourself for deeper connection. Try sitting up straight in bed with your feet firmly on the floor, hip-width apart. This helps you feel grounded and creates a stronger connection between your body and the energy around you. Focus on your breath. Close your eyes and take slow, deep breaths. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4, exhale for 4, and pause for 4. Repeat this process to get into a rhythm. Think of your breath as an anchor. When your mind drifts into stress or anxiety, your breath brings you back to calm, steady waters. Be present. As thoughts or feelings arise, just notice them without judgment. Your mind may wander, and that's okay. Simply bring your attention back to your breath. The second thing you can do is journal your thoughts and dreams. Writing down your thoughts and dreams allows you to process them consciously, and science shows that this leads to better mental health and emotional clarity. Journaling allows you to capture subconscious messages that often arise during sleep or when you first wake up. This can lead to self-discovery and help you process emotions or creative ideas. It's also a tool for emotional release, helping you let go of anything you may have been holding on to. How to do it? Keep a journal nearby. Make sure you have a notebook and pen on your nightstand so you can easily jot down your thoughts as soon as you wake up. Write freely. Don't worry about structure or grammar. Just let your thoughts flow naturally onto the page. Whether it's a dream you just had, a feeling, or a random idea, write it down. Reflect. After you've written, take a moment to reflect on any patterns or emotions that stand out. This can give you powerful insights into what's going on internally. The third powerful practice is visualization and manifestation. By visualizing your goals as if they're already achieved, you're priming your brain to recognize opportunities and take action toward those goals. Visualization helps you focus your energy on what you truly want in life. Whether it's emotionally, spiritually, or materially, it puts you in a positive mindset and gives you the motivation to reach those goals faster than you think. How to do it? Clarify your goals. Before you start, think about what you truly desire. Whether it's more peace, success, or fulfillment in your relationships. Be specific. Create vivid images. Close your eyes and picture these goals as if they've already been achieved. Use all your senses. Imagine what it looks like, what you hear, how it feels. Embrace the emotions. Don't just visualize it, feel it. Feel the joy, peace, or excitement that comes with having achieved your goals. These 3 practices are simple, but they can transform the way you experience those early morning wake-ups. Instead of feeling frustrated, you can use this time to connect with yourself, gain clarity, and move closer to what you truly want in life. You've just learned how to make the most of waking up between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m., including the powerful practice of journaling your thoughts and dreams. But did you know your dreams hold even more insight into your self-discovery and spiritual growth? To truly unlock these insights, check out our next video on understanding your dreams and what they are trying to tell you. Click now and uncover the deeper meaning behind the dreams you've been having. You won't want to miss the powerful messages waiting for you.